Guess what?
You had enough reading? Have you had enough reading? Huh? You're so silly. You were so silly. Yes, you were. Oh, we love her so much. Greatest gift in the world right here. Yes, it is. Greatest gift in the whole entire world right here. My River Grace. What are you doing? Why are you hugging my leg, huh? What are you doing? You're so silly. You're so silly. River Grace. Ha ha. You are the silliest thing.